Let us write a prime number program in system Verilog. So what is the definition of a prime number? Prime number is a number which is divisible by either 1 or itself, and it is not divisible by any other number. Okay, let us implement this in a system Verilog and find out whether the given number is a prime or not. So this is how the program is generate. I have given name generate prime number. So value is some value. Now constraint, it is done via function. The function name is prime. You are going to pass a value, whatever the value. If function returns 1, then only it should be generated. Okay, now function bit, it should be return type should be bit it should be either 0 or 1. Function name is prime, so int num. So you are passing an argument num. This num is equal to value. Okay, so we are taking into value basically, and this guy now we are trying to display that value. What is the value being generated? Now if value is 1 or it is 2, then directly display that it's not a prime. 1 and 2 are not prime numbers, and you can just exit from that function giving a return which will exit the function. Now for loop we can take, it will have from 2, and it will divide till value by 2. Since the prime number can be divisible by half of the value, then it will go on increment. Now we can take a condition value mod of I, where remainder is equal to 0. If it is remainder 0, then it is divisible. What happens here? Here we are trying to display I by which it is divisible, and then value is not a prime. That value, whatever value it has, it is not a prime number if the remainder becomes 0. Now and else what happens? We are just displaying the I value. Now in case if the remainder is not 0, then it will come out of this and it will display is a prime number. So it is just coming out and trying to display that it's a prime number, and we are returning 1. And if it becomes when it returns 1, then it is equal to 1. So that value can be considered, and it becomes a prime number basically. So this is how we are coding it. And module TB, you have taken that class and class handle. Then initial begin you are taking, and then you can take one variable chuck handle and you construct. Then you pass the some value to that chuck, and handle dot is prime, and with the argument chuck you are trying to pass that value via that chuck through that function, and you are calling it via the handle. Then it will tell that whether now we are going to consider okay, let us consider some value. Now here I am considering 11. If I consider 11, it's a prime number. Now if I pass the value 121, then what happens is 121, then it is not a prime number. So we are expecting it is not 121 is not a prime, and it is divisible by 11. Okay, that's it. Thank you.